Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're going to harvest the last of our beet crop. Kind of sad, but we got some really good beets out of these two crops that we had, and we're growing some more. So don't worry, we'll have more beets. So I'm digging it around the beetroot so that I don't damage the beetroot or damage the leaves because we're going to eat the leaves as well. So these are pretty nice sized ones, and they're coming up pretty easily. See, you can see that it's kind of a smaller size, but it's a good size to cook and eat. This one's a little bit hard coming out, and you can see there's a few more that we need to pull out, and looks like that they're good size. Here's one and one more. I'm just going to fast forward through this so that I don't bore you with the digging process. We're pulling up a lot of beets, so we'll share these with our friends and neighbors. And we've been giving them the beetroot and beet leaves and telling them how good the leaves are to eat too. Most of them have never eaten the beet leaves, so we explained to them how we cook it, which you can see in our other videos. So all in all, a great harvest for the last of our beets. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.